Morning guys, so this is a job. We've got 3 days to do this in, and we're gonna take down this wall here, strip some of them bushes back, trees gonna go, and then all this stuff on the floor, we're gonna make this, clean it all up and put some gravel down. Just a quick, cheap and cheerful job to try and make a bit of a driveway. We'll start with a tree, I think. We think this is the last one.
Yeah, well, I'm hoping it's the last one.
Oh, I'll let you do the honours.
Well, I'm pulling it out.
Yeah, go on. Pull it out. Pull it out. Is it coming? I think there's one more underneath. Oh, you've got it. So we've found a few flags under all this, and we've got a bit of a brick edge that goes around, which is pretty good. It goes all the way around, so it'll give us a nice border in there, so we'll leave that down. And then we've got this border here, which should look alright. So I'm probably just gonna cut all the way around it and then fill this with gravel. So we've got all them in. That looks a lot better now. Right, we're going to build this back up now. Let's see what we can do with this. Enclosure first. You're not putting any plasticizer in there?
Yeah, there's some anyway.
It feels awful.
Yeah, there's plasticizer in it.
With some bricks.
Better day today, innit?
Yeah, sun's come out now, isn't it? Still cold though, isn't it?
Probably not.
So I've got the pillar up, and neighbour's been out next door and she wants us to repoint her wall as well, so we'll crack on with that tomorrow. Yeah.
Oh, get in the book here.
Just get where you can.
Yeah.
Just get where you can, we'll have to chisel it out by hand or something. Well, that's it. That's made a decent bit of driveway for her. I didn't put it in video, but well, I didn't record it, but I've put some weed barrier under the stones as well, so that should stop it all. But yeah, got all wall done as well, so done a few bits as well next door, just patching up some bricks and what have you that I haven't recorded. But yeah, that's it for this one, guys. So I'll see you in the next one.